In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and utilize printer sharing in Windows 10. Printer sharing is a convenient way to allow multiple users in a network to access a single printer, streamlining your workflow and saving time. This process might seem daunting at first, but with these simple instructions, you'll be able to set it up with ease. Let's start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up the Start menu where you can access various system features. Now in the search bar, type printer and wait for the results to pop up. You should see an option labeled printers and scanners. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window displaying all the available printers connected to your system. Next, you need to select the printer that you want to share with others on the network. Simply click on your chosen printer from the list. Once you've done that, look for the Manage button and select it. This will take you to the management section of the printer settings. In the management window, find the printer properties option and click on it. This will open a dialog box containing various tabs at the top of the window. Navigate to the sharing tab. This is where you can adjust the sharing options for your printer. Within the sharing tab, you should see an option that allows you to share this printer. Typically, it's a checkbox labeled Share this printer. Check this box to activate sharing. This step is crucial as it determines whether your printer is accessible to others on the network. After enabling sharing, you'll need to confirm the changes you've made. Look for the Apply button, usually located at the bottom right corner of the window. Click on it to save your settings. Once you're done, hit the OK button to close out of the properties and return to the previous window. And there you have it. Your printer is now shared over the network and other users should be able to connect to and use it provided they are on the same network. Remember, having a shared printer means that users on your network can send print jobs to this printer without having to unplug and switch devices, making your work environment more flexible and efficient. I hope you found this step-by-step guide easy to follow. Sharing your printer can significantly improve productivity, especially in environments where multiple users need access to it regularly. If there are any questions or if something doesn't work as expected, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.